Leibak asida Thengnariba tonganba conflicts sing ase Lakshinnaba Singthaningai Oiba Wakhallon sing Puthokpa ki Tangai phadaba haina Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor and Lokendra na phongdorakli Manipur University Dr. Ambedkar Center of Excellence na sinduna Manipur University ki lecture holder Puthokpa Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ge chamukuntra mga suba mapok kumon ki thoranga mari lengna wafam ase Professor and Lokendra na phongdokibane Mahakna makata na hai India ase yamna sustainable oiba democracy chatpa Leibak amani adum oinamal Leibak ase tonganba furuk kanglup kaya na punsinduna sembana maram oiraga karigumba matamda social political natraga economic conflict yauna makal makha kya gi conflict sing thoklakpa thengnari conflict sing ase lakshinnaba hotnabada aikoina Anova amadi Singthaningai Oiba Wakhallon kaya Puthokpa ki Tangai phadaba haina mahakna makata na phongdoki Thauramada Manipur University ge Internal Quality Assurance Cell ge Director Professor A. Rajmane Manipur University ki Department of Law ge Assistant Professor Dr. Sapam Dilip Kumar amadi Manipur University ki Dr. Ambedkar Center of Excellence ke Program Coordinator Dr. S. Santi Kumar su sarugyaki
Dr. Ambedkar was an extremely well-read, very intelligent and very hard-working person. So much so that it was under his chairmanship, the Constitution of India, which is so well respected. The Constitution of India is also read by many luminaries in the world in order to solve the problem. Various kinds of problems which all the country, all across the globe, they are facing, because the Constitution of India is such that it has got elements and it has got ideas. It has incorporated so many important and so many significant ideas to resolve, to settle or to solve the problem of various forms of social conflict, political conflict, economic conflict, and how to make a diverse society like India as a sustainable democratic country.